Before making an adjustment to the transfer roller assembly, we're going to have to loosen up some hardware. We'll start by loosening the two bolts that go through the 7-pin side plate and the head drive motor assembly. We also have two bolts that go through the wiper assembly bracket, and we have two more bolts that go through the 10-pin side plate and the head timing assembly. Now once those are loose, we will then be able to raise or lower the transfer roller assembly along with the wiper assembly because they adjust as one unit. And we would raise and lower this by these two adjusting bolts. Now before we can move the assembly, we're also going to have to loosen up the 4 bolts that hold the transfer roller motor to the 10-pin side plate. This will allow us to get some slack in the transfer roller motor chain so that the assembly can adjust evenly and freely. The recommended adjustment is 3/32 to 3/16 of an inch. The starting point is 1/8 of an inch. The easiest way to set this crush is to raise the entire transfer roller and wiper assembly away from the brush by turning the adjusting bolts clockwise, and then turn the bolts counterclockwise until the assembly just touches the fibers of the brush evenly on left and right. From that point, we could set our transfer roller chain tension, resecure the transfer roller motor to the side plate, and tighten up all the related hardware to the transfer roller and wiper assembly.